friends, welcome to Damu Education. We are seeing that 4th January 2021 current affairs and daily GK questions. So we'll start our first question. What is that? Which country has become the first one to roll out low-cost Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine? Options are Britain, US, India and France. So what is the answer is Britain. Next, second question. Which state will host the 51st International Film Festival of India? Options are Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Delhi. Answer is option B, Goa. Third question. India and ADB signed a $231 million loan agreement for construction of a 120 megawatt hydroelectric power plant in which state? Options are Tripura, Meghalaya, Assam, Nagaland. Answer is Nagaland. Which nation has sanctioned international protocol to abolish death penalty? Options are Armenia, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Kazakhstan. So answer is D, Kazakhstan. Next, fifth question. Which state government will launch Kisan Kalyan Mission for the farmers? Options are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. Answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Next, sixth question. The well-preserved remains of Ice Age woolly rhino were found in which nation? Options are Russia, Antarctica, Greece and Iceland. Answer is A, Russia. When is World Braille Day celebrated? Options are January 4th, January 3rd, January 2nd, January 1st. So it is January 4th. Which nation plans to enrich uranium to up to 20% purity at further fuel enrichment plant? Options are Iran, Israel, Russia and Ukraine. Answer is Iran, option A. Next, we'll see our 5th January 2021 current affairs and daily asked GK questions. First one. Who among the following has cancelled his scheduled trip to India later this month? Options are Joe Biden, Boris Johnson, Justin Trudeau and Emmanuel Macron. Answer is Boris Johnson, option B. Next, second question. Which nation is working to develop first wooden satellites to reduce space junk? Options are Russia, United States, Japan and India. Answer is C, Japan. Next, third question. Hundreds of winter migratory birds have been found dead in which among the following Ramsar sites in India? Options are Bhoj Wetland, Chilika Lake, Nalsarovar Bird Sanctuary, Pong Dam Lake. Answer is D, Pong Dam Lake. Next, fourth question. The potential first case of a new and deadly disease AIDS has been discovered in which nation? Options are Uganda, Angola, Zambia, Democratic Republic of Congo. Answer is Democratic Republic of Congo. Next question. India has launched its 40th scientific expedition to which among the following regions? Options are Arctic region, Mount Everest, Alaska, Antarctica. Answer is Antarctica. Next, sixth question. India will be replacing which nation as the co-chair of Asia Protected Areas Partnership APAP? Options are South Korea, China, Malaysia, Japan. So it is South Korea. At seventh question, Alexander Ellis has been appointed as which nation's next High Commissioner to India? Options are Britain, Italy, Australia and United States. So its answer is Britain. Next, eighth question. Who will head the international jury of the 51st International Film Festival of India? Options are Priyadarshan, Pablo Cesar, Rubaiyat Hossain, Abu Bakr Shawki. Answer is Pablo Cesar. Next, we'll see that 6th January 2021 current affairs and daily used GK questions, multiple choice questions. So, we'll see first question. When will Union Budget 2021 be presented? Options are February 1st, March 1st, April 1st and March 15th. So, its answer is February 1st. Which nation has gained the top spot in the test rankings? Options are New Zealand, England, India and South Africa. So its answer is New Zealand. Next, third question. The Indian Embassy has suspended all consular services in which nation till February 20? Options United States, Japan, United Kingdom and France. So answer is United Kingdom, UK. Next, when will the 63rd Annual Grammy Awards be presented? Options are March 14th, April 15th, February 25th and March 1st. So it is March 14th. Which state government will initiate the world's largest floating solar project by 2023? Options are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, sixth question. Which nation has signed a MOC with India for a basic framework of the partnership for proper operation of the system relating to specified skilled workers? So options are Germany, Japan, Argentina and Brazil. Answer is Japan. Next, seventh question. Which state government has launched Kisan Kalyan Mission? So options are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra. So it is Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which nation recently released a draft Arctic policy? Options are Russia, United States, France, India. So it is India. Option D, India. Next, we will see the 7th January 2021 current affairs and most important daily GK multiple choice questions. So, first question. Renowned fashion designer Satyapal passed away on January 6, 2021 He was known for giving a modern look to which traditional outfit? Options: sari, dhoti, suit and lehenga. Answer is sari. Second question. Protesters violated the security of which nation's parliament on January 6, 2021? Options: India, France, United Kingdom and United States. Answer is United States. Next, which state rolled out the Launchpad scheme? Options are Telangana, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. So it is Madhya Pradesh. Next, the center has decided to form a committee for the protection of language, culture and land of which region? Options are Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Puducherry and Lakshadweep. So it is B. Ladakh. Next, fifth question. When will the second nationwide mock drill for COVID-19 vaccination be launched? Options: January 10th, January 8th, January 12th and January 11th. So answer is B. January 8th. Next, sixth question. Joe Biden won how many electoral votes to confirm his victory in the US presidential elections 2020? Options are 306, 310, 300 and 280. So answer is 306. Next, seventh question. When will Joe Biden be sworn in as the next US president? Options are January 15th, January 21st, January 28th and January 29th. So answer is January 29th. Next question. Justice Hima Kohli has been sworn in as the first woman Chief Justice of which High Court? Options are Bombay, Madras, Allahabad, Telangana. So it is option D, Telangana. Next we will see that 8th January 2021 current affairs and most important GK multiple choice questions for everyone. So we will start our first question. What is the estimated GDP growth rate of India in 2020 and 21 as per the first advanced estimates of Nation Statistical Office (NSO)? So it is minus 6.5 percentage, minus 8.1 percentage, minus 7.7 percentage, minus 9.8 percentage. So answer is it is C, minus 7.7 percentage. Next, second question. Who will head the College of Supervisors (COS) formed by Reserve Bank of India to further strengthen supervision over regulated entities? Options are Viral Acharya, Mahesh Kumar Jain, Michael Patra, N.S. Viswanathan. So answer is it is N.S. Viswanathan, D. Next, third question. Which bank has collaborated with IIT Kanpur to launch FineTech Innovation Center as its campus? Options: State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Maharashtra and Canara Bank. So third one it is Punjab National Bank. B. Option B. Next, fourth question. Who has appointed as the Chief of Google Cloud Asia Pacific Division? Options: Karan Boswa, Anshu Prakash, Sandeep Ate, Puneet Chandok. So fourth one it is Karan Boswa. Option A. Next, which state has launched the Krishi Sanjeevani Van to take labs to the agriculture fields to study soil, water, suggest pest control remedies. Options are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So answer is, it is Karnataka. Next, sixth question. Justice Hima Kohli has been appointed as the first ever female Chief Justice of the High Court of, so we have seen already this one, Karnataka, Delhi, Ladakh and Telangana. So it is Telangana. Next, which asset management company has launched the investor awareness campaign titled hash paisa ko roko mat? Options: IDFC Mutual Funds, SBI Mutual Funds, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, Tata Mutual Fund. So seventh one, it is option A, IDFC Mutual Funds. Next, eighth question. Who has been appointed as the head of the Central Government Committee to protect the unique language, culture, identity and land of Ladakh? So options are Rajnath Singh, G. Kishan Reddy, Ajay Kumar Bhalla, K. Chandrasekhar Rao. So it is G. Kishan Reddy, option B. Next, ninth question. Alan Burgess, who has passed away recently, was the world's oldest living first-class cricketer. He was from which country? Options are England, West Indies, Australia and New Zealand. So it is New Zealand. Next, the world's first double stack long haul container train was flagged off by PM Narendra Modi recently. The train will run between which states? Options are Maharashtra and Bihar, Haryana and Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir and Delhi, Tamil Nadu and Odisha. So 10th one, it is Haryana and option B, Haryana and Rajasthan. Next we will see our 9th January 2021 current affairs and daily GK multiple choice questions. It is very useful. Try to watch. So our first question, as per the IHS market, what is the estimated GDP of India for 2021-22? Options: 6.5%, 7.7%, 9%, 8.9%. Answer is, it is D, 8.9%. Next, India has been appointed as the head of the three important committees of the United Nations Security Council UNSC. Which of these committees is not among them? Options: Taliban Sanctions Committee, 1718 Sanction Committee, DPRK, Counter Terrorism Committee, Libyan Sanctions Committee. So answer is, it is B, 1718 Sanctions Committee, DPRK. Sorry. Next, third question. What was the profession of Chitra Ghosh, the niece of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who passed away recently? Options are academician, politician, classical dancer and entrepreneur. So answer is academician, option A. Next, fourth question. Indian origin Dr. Raj Iyer has been appointed as the first ever Chief Information Officer CIO of the Army Force of which country? Options are Russia, Britain, United States and France. So it is obviously C, United States. Next, fifth question. The guided multi-launch rocket system Fateh-1 was tested by which recently? Which country recently? Okay. Options are Iran, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Syria. So it is B, Pakistan. Next, sixth question. Who is the author of the novel Right Under Our Nose? Options R. Giridharan, B. Mrudul K. Sakkar, P. Vasudevan, Ajit Ratnakar Joshi. Answer is P. Giridharan. Sorry, R. Giridharan. Next, seventh question. What was the profession of Satya Paul, who has died recently? Options: filmmaker, fashion designer, journalist, and sportsman. So it is fashion designer. Option B. Next, Claire Polasak has become the first woman umpire to officiate men's test match. She is from which country? Options: New Zealand, England, Australia, South Africa. So it is from Australia. Next, ninth question. Late Sri K. Ramchandran, a veteran Congress leader, was a former minister of which state cabinet? Options are Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala. So answer is D. Kerala. 10th question. Raghavendra Singh Chauhan has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of which High Court? Options are Telangana, Uttarakhand, Guwahati, Sikkim. So 10th one, so it is Uttarakhand. Next we will see 10th January 2021 current affairs and daily multiple choice GK multiple choice questions. Try to watch all our current affairs videos. First question. When is the World Hindi Day observed globally? Options: 2nd Saturday of January, 9th January, 10th January, 8th January. So it is on 10th January. Next, veteran former foreign minister Madhav Singh Solanki has passed away. He was the former chief minister of which state? Options: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana and Uttarakhand. So it is from Gujarat. Next, third question. Who is the chair of High Level Committee HLC to commemorate year-long celebration of the 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? Options: Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, Ramesh Pokhriyal. So answer is B. Narendra Modi. Next, fourth question. What was the theme of Virtual International Akhand Conference EduCon 2020? Options are Assessment for Learning Outcomes and Sustainable Development, Education Contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat, C. Envisioning Education for Transforming Youth to Restore Global Peace, Building Peace in the Mind of Youths and All. So fourth one we know that is option C. Envisioning Education for Transforming Youth to Restore Global Peace. Next, fifth one. The Government of India celebrates the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas on which day annually? 7th January, 8th January, 10th January, 9th January. Options. So it is 9th January. Next, sixth question. What is the term of the Memorandum of Understanding MOU signed between IREDA and NHPC to provide technical assistance for green energy projects? Options: 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years. So it is, obviously it is 5 years. Next, Shaurya Salary Account is a new product launched by which bank for the defense personnel? So options: Bandhan Bank, Canara Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank. So it is option A, Bandhan Bank. Next, eighth question. The mobile app Satark Nagrik and Developmental Vigilance Officers DVO portal has been launched by which state for easy grievance redressals? Options: Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and Uttar Pradesh. So it is Jammu and Kashmir. Option C. Ninth question. Faustin Orchans Taudera has recently been re-elected as the president of which country? Options are Liberia, Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Burundi. So answer is B, Central African Republic. Next last question. The Pravas Bharatiya Divas Convention 2021 is which edition of the program? 19th, 18th, 15th and 16th. So it is answer 16th. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and try to watch all our current videos.